Welcome everybody to another installment of Crypto Moose, and the moose is loose. I'm your host, Mitchell Bouchard. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It's going to help us out here on the channel. So what we're going to talk about today is just a crypto market update. We're going to go over the price of Bitcoin. So today we are February 28th, 2023. So we're about 10 p.m. and that's what we're going to do. So again, if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Put down comments that you would really like me to check out, because I probably will read them. I don't get too many comments, at least at this state of the channel. So comment down below if there's an episode you'd like to see, projects you'd like to see me cover. What you can also do is send me an NFT of a project that you'd like me to cover. Or you could also just send me maybe some assets. So that's going to be Red Cape. So if you send me assets there, then I'll definitely check it out as well. So that'll be a cool way for me to review some projects. But Bitcoin, we're at 23,480. And what we're going to do as well is we're going to give you an idea of where Cardano can be next bull run. So yes, I will be doing a price prediction in this video. But again, you have to make your own assessment. I'm going to be very conservative with what I think is going to happen. But again, I think the next bull run will shock people. And while people are scared right now, there's not a lot of interest compared to the last bull run, which was a couple years ago. I've really felt things die off quite a bit, but the next bull run, I think people will be shocked, right? We have the halving, the amount of rewards, or the new supply, you could take it, of Bitcoin that get rewarded to the miners are going to be cut in half. So it's going to become very scarce. And when there's scarcity, that's when there's desire. So let's take a look. And again, we'll do one more refresh. We don't need this page. So we're at 23,472. All right. And if we look on the week, let's see Bitcoin on the week. How do I do that? So again, you can go to CoinMarketCap. See, I'm all over the place right now. So if we go to Bitcoin, we will look at the 7-day. So on the 7-day, it looks like we're about even. I mean, we're down a little bit, but that's not much for the volatility we see in Bitcoin. So if we look at the 1 month, though, we're starting to go up a little bit. And then if we go to the 3 month, you can see we're doing quite well. So it's all perspective. Depends on where you're looking at it. Maybe this was a bottom. It very well could have been. So if we go to the 1 year, you wouldn't think that. But if you go to the 3 month, you could think that this is a bottom. Now, I'm not going to do no technical analysis. I'm not going to tell you when to get in or out. I just zoom out of the whole thing. And then I'm thinking, we've gone from 62,000 USD. And now we're sitting at about 23,000. I mean, I was buying up here. Why wouldn't I buy now? And the reason we're looking at Bitcoin before we get into Cardano is because we need to know where Bitcoin is going to go, right? Because Cardano is not going to move if Bitcoin's not moving, at least not likely. And a lot of that has to do with the Bitcoin dominance and the fact that right now it is the king of all cryptos. 43% dominance. And then Ethereum takes about 20%. So 60% of the market cap is put into the top two projects. So if we look at Cardano, okay, we are sitting at such a good spot right now, I think. I think this could have been the bottom, the 24-cent mark. I bought here, by the way, because I'm Crypto Moose, right? And the moose got loose. He bought the dip. So if we look at the 1 year, okay, man, 25 cents. This was a great time to buy. I was buying here. Actually, I'll take a look at my portfolio and I'll show you where I was buying, because I think more YouTubers and people should show you what they've been doing, because it's cool to talk about it, but you gotta be transparent, right, for people to see. So this is basically my Cardano holdings for this wallet. These are most of my buys kind of thing. So I bought, unfortunately, 2022 didn't do very well. But I bought a crap ton over here. But what's cool is that I've broadened down my average buy price. So this was over $1. So right now I'm down 31%, right? Awful. But I've been DCAing and I'm fixing that. So as Cardano's moving up in price, I've been buying the dip. I've been buying it as it's going lower. So I'm evening out, right? We're evening out our buy-in price. This isn't including my NFTs, so I'm doing very well on those. But this is a way for you to track it. I also did a video on the channel. So if you go to Crypto Moose, there should be a video. So if you go to videos, yeah, building a portfolio. I did a video for all of you. There you go. How to track your crypto coins. Check out this video. I built this video for you all. It's a sweet video. I'm abashed whenever I watch it myself. So I think it's going to be part of a masterclass I'm working on as well. But you should definitely be building out your crypto portfolios and tracking your coins, because when it comes to taxes, things of that nature, and just, what gets measured gets accomplished, right? So if you're measuring what you're buying, you know what you're doing, right? If somebody were to ask you, are you down on a project? You can be like, yeah, I am, but this is how I'm going to fix it. You want to write things down, right? It's a good idea. So I was buying at $1, which isn't too bad. I thought I bought even higher. So that's the price it says here. I thought I bought a little bit higher, but who knows? So I bought in February so that's about a year ago, actually. Yeah, look at that. So I bought, a year ago for $1.19. And then I bought 40 cents, 50 cents. So this is when I really started DCAing. So I've been DCAing all this time. So I'll buy about, 500 to 1,000 tokens. There must have been somewhere I just bought a crap ton. Yeah, here I bought 2,000 ADA. So I've been accumulating. There's got to be further transactions too. So anyways, this is just to give you an idea. But what you can do is just build your portfolio, add transactions, and then you could put what you bought at, even if you do this at a later time. It's a great idea to track what you're buying. So anyways, let's get on schedule with what we're doing in this video. We're going to give you a prediction. So if we're at a $3 trillion market cap, and let's take a look at the high. We're at $3 basically, okay? And that's when we are at an all-time high in Cardano. I see very generously the next bull run because of how many more people getting into crypto and what you can do with Cardano now. We have the NFTs. I've seen the smart contracts. We're going to have Hydra, okay? We're going to have probably Midnight. We're going to have all these different things with Cardano. We also have a stable coin. We're going to have USDA in the future, which will be a fiat-backed stable coin. Cornucopias is going to come alive. We're going to have the interoperability of other blockchains. So effectively, this layer 1 project, we have all these dApps being built on top of it, which are the decentralized applications. Those are going to grow. Those are going to have their tokens, and the underlining structure is going to be Cardano. So Cardano is a big deal. It is an all-purpose blockchain, very similar to, Ethereum, right? So I think we're going to see a $4 to $5 Cardano. And when that happens, probably even before that, I'm going to sell a little bit because I need to take profits. I think you all should as well. Not telling you to do that. That's just what I would do. So right here, and we could be stagnant for a while, but the thing is, in 2021 or 2022-ish, we had the halving. So Cardano, for the first time, really went from 8 cents to $3. Now, we've plummeted, okay? So we've had 1 year, 2 year, 3 years. In 2024, 2025, we're going to have another crypto bull run because of the halving. Bitcoin will become scarce. I think we're easily going to go past the $2.50, $3 mark. We'll go to all-time highs, and we will go above it. Whether it's going to be $4, $5, $6, I'm not sure. It could go much higher. But I'm planning on, when I get a 10x, I'm going to be taking some profits. But I'm still going to delegate and keep a lot of my coins. So I'm thinking, and I'm going to do a further video on this because people have asked, what is my DCA out plan? How do I take profits? We'll get into that in another video. Effectively, I think what I'm going to do is judge the market, understand where we're at. When I feel like everybody's too excited for no reason, and the FOMO's kind of gone, that's when I'll start, converting to stable coins or converting to some Bitcoin. I'm not sure. But the goal is to make money with crypto, but also be part of the ecosystem. So anyways, let me know if you agree with that. We don't need to go about it any further, but I could see a $4 to $5 Cardano. That's my prediction in 2025, 2026, perhaps sooner. But definitely we're going to see, I think, a $4 to $5 Cardano. So let me know if you believe in that. I think there's a lot of reasons to believe in so. A lot of projects, a lot of DEXs, we have stable coins, and those are just some of the reasons. So that's all we have for you. Remember, it's not your keys, it's not your cheese. See you later.